On Arch Linux there are a lot of packages, but if you want some packages more, you will search them on the in the AUR Arch user repository. If you want to install it, first git clone https aur.archlinux.org/yay.git. Enter cd yay, enter sudo chmod 777/home/username/yay. Enter. To better security, chmod the file too. Good. Now let's make pkg/si and it will install the package. Yes, it is doing it. Very good. The command that we wrote has been successfully installed and executed. It is building the package that we just downloaded. Proceed with installation and it is done. Now the yay commands, yay capital S to install a package, yay capital R to remove a package, yay capital SYU to upgrade packages, yay dash YC to clean not needed dependencies. For example, let's install the package Freedom Manager. Enter. No show differences because we never installed this. Proceed with installation. It is receiving the files. Now it is building them. It is building the package from SUSE. It has installed the package Freedom Manager. This is an application very useful to download the files and torrent, and with this application it is possible to stop the files and continue them in another moment. Let's install the Boss Edition. Add-ons. The top one with a lot of users is the right one. Add to Firefox. Add. Allow the extension to run in private window. Let's try to download a torrent files. I will download a Linux ISO. Download. Let's click the torrent version. It will ask if we want to open the file with free download manager. Press OK. It will show us a window where to save and the file name. Click download. And it is downloaded the file with our application. The application has been successfully installed and it is working fine. And this is how to install and use how to use a repository through Yay and AUR helper. See you later, guys.